Hello YouTube. So this is a quick breakdown of this trending beat or trending groove by Godswill. Very talented guys to do. All right, so it's very simple. And someone asked me to break down the the vamp. So I'll just do the vamping part. So the first part, I'm using a normal voice for praise. So it's simple. It's done in the key of F. So we are starting with the F major chord, and then we are coming down to the third as the A minor chord, and then we're coming down to G minor. Then we'll go back to the A minor. That's it. So the F major, B flat major, A minor, G minor. So the fa mi re mi. All right. So the groove sounds like this. So we start with the one. So one or do fa la do la. So do fa la do la do fa la do la. Then you come down to ti mi so ti mi so ti so so. Let's add the two part again. And the last chord. So by now, I know you must have gotten it. And we'll go back to the A minor. Now add everything together. Sounds simple. The next part is the vamp with two hands. So that I'm using ocarina. That's this side sound. The same chords that we played in the first one, but this time we are vamping it. So we are playing the B flat major chord, the same chord on the left hand, same on the right hand. So we're playing left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. So and it goes like it goes on the second kick. So after the one kick, you play the left hand. That's it. It's very easy. And then the other part uh, is just the 4, 5, 4, 5, and then mi re mi fa re mi so re mi fa re mi so re mi, just like that. And the next one, uh, so la so la. That's the simplest one. So fa mi la mi la. So that's it. Very simple. So just follow. The main thing is the four. Then you come down to the. This what gives it that unique sound. This A minor chord, and then the G minor chord, A minor chord. So practice that, and you can add that to your praise. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop comments on the video. And you can tell me what you want me to break down. So these two videos I've done recently is it's all from your comments and what you wanted me. So just tell me what you want me to do, and I'll listen to it and try my best to break it down. So thank you guys and have a nice weekend. Thank you. God bless you.